So let's dive into the installation first. You need to enter this web address, and once you do that, you will be redirected to our homepage. First, you have a trial version which you can access from this button to try out the tools, and after that, to install the applications, first you need to sign in. So you click on the sign in button and you need to enter your Microsoft account credentials after clicking this button. So I'll just log in. So after logging in, this is how your web page will appear. Next thing you need to do is click on this download now, and here you have some options. First to download and install some prerequisites for the applications, and next you need to provide some consents and some admin rights for the applications to access the API, which can be done from here. And then by clicking on this icon, you will actually download the MSI file, which will begin the installation of the tools by AEC. And then you can access our wiki page, which will have the information about our tools. So after this, just click on download desktop app. Once you do that, the MSI file will be downloaded, and I'll just click on this. A window like this will appear, and here you have some options to check. And once you do that and click on install, your installation will begin. And after installation, you can access the tools by AEC desktop app from the start window or from the hidden panel in the taskbar at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just click on this, and you need to click on this icon. On Open Tools desktop app, Tools by AEC desktop app will appear. This tool actually is the basic application which take care of the installation of all your tools within the Tools by AEC environment. So if you click on this free bar icon, here you have some options to control the visuals of the application. If I just click on settings, I have the option to choose the version of the Tools by AEC desktop app. Next, I just click on this home button. Here you can see the version that is installed and when it was last updated. And if I just click on this app versions button, click on advanced settings, here you can actually see the version that have been launched and the date when it was launched. So if you just click on this, you have some options to either reinstall or uninstall or update the version of your app. So within this application, this is the place which will control the versions of the individual tools within our Tools by AEC environment. Whereas what you see here, versions of the Tools by AEC desktop app after doing all this, Tools by AEC applications will be installed. You can access them either within the softwares, which they are programmed to appear, or some applications like our assistant can be accessed directly from the start window. And that's about our installation. See you in the next video.